Good morning. We're going to start off with section 3.5.3, Slant Asymptotes. We'll be using the note guide that's in our packet. It's also available on the Focus website under Resources if you need it. Here's my handwritten version. So first of all, example 9 asks us to find the slant asymptotes. So we're going to have to use either long division or synthetic division depending on the case. Our first example, part A, is able to be done with synthetic division. So I'm going to take that denominator, set it equal to 0, and that tells me what I'll use to synthetically divide. I'm going to create my synthetic division problem. Carry down, multiply, add, multiply, add. We're going to ignore the remainder. That's useless. We have a constant and we have our x term. This now creates the linear equation y equals 1x plus 0. There is our slant asymptote. On our next one, we also have our synthetic division problem because of the linear factor in the bottom. We're going to synthetically divide by 1. We have a 1. Oops. Getting used to this technology. 1, a 2, and a 6. Carry down, multiply, add, multiply, and we're going to add there and get 9. We ignore the remainder, our constant, our x term. We're going to graph the line y equals x plus 3 as our slant asymptote. Not too painful if we have a linear denominator. Our next one, unfortunately, we're going to have to break out long division. Take our x squared, we're going to put a 0 in for the x term. We're going to have a few zeros in this numerator. And we're going to divide just long enough. It's not going to be as painful as you think. Remember, first term only. Looking at changing x squared into x cubed, I'll need an x. Multiply it through. And remember, we're subtracting. And we get a 0, we get 0, and we get negative 4x minus 1. That's your remainder. We can't do any more division, so our slant asymptote is simply y equals x. That's it for our first video. My next video will include example 10 and some from the back. Have a good day.